Hi, my name is Matt Dean with Inner Circle Distribution. We're here at InfoComm 2025. I'm here to tell you about the brand new QuikPunch from Astera. This was just released last week. It's a Fresnel battery-powered power fixture. It's equivalent to a 650 watt fixture. It has manual zoom, 13 to 60 degrees. It comes with a barn door with really clean cuts. It has the Titan LED engine that all Astera products have. It comes in kits of 8, or you can buy them individual. They charge via the charging plate, or you could charge it via True One. Another unique thing is you can purchase an extra external prep box. What the prep box does is it allows you to configure multiple fixtures at once and saving you time. Now you can still use it in the same way with the app, CRMX. It has all the same bells and whistles that every Astera product has, high CRI. And the other unique thing on this is it has a high output gain mode, which gives you 30% more brightness, and it lasts 4.5 hours at max brightness. So that's the QuikPunch. Again, my name is Matt Dean with Inner Circle Distribution. Come check more out at icd-usa.com.